Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. You are kidding. We just fucking smacked. Oh, the song's coming off. Oh my god, you're kidding. You are kidding me. You're kidding me. Hey guys. Oh, that's not good. Hey guys, just wanted to show you what setup I'm using. I'm using a Storm Discovery. It's a 2 to 5 kilo rod. It's just a really tiny finesse rod. It's only actually about 5 foot. It's quite short. And I'm just using, I've actually got 30-pound leader on. Probably could just tie 16 on, but I don't know, that's all I had. And I'm just using one of these little poppers with some upgraded trebles in case I accidentally hook a barrel. And just using 16-pound braid, just casting these banks. All I'm doing is casting right on the edge of the bank and then just popping, wait, pop, and then I'll do a quick pop and then I'll just wait for a bit. And on that pause, that longer pause, that's when we're getting those slightly larger sooties. Nothing massive, but just those like a little bit bigger. So maybe the little bit bigger ones are a bit smarter, but yeah, in this crystal clear water, they're gonna be a bit finicky. So we'll see how we go. We'll see, try and get some more. I have caught a couple big ones in here before, but that was a few years ago. So we'll see what we can do. Oh, pump him, pump him, pump him. He's got me on the edge. He's got me on the edge. There he is. He's all right. He's all right, guys. God, that water is blue, man. That water is blue. There's that one, guys. He's alright size. He's more of the fun size where they do actually pull a little bit. That water is so... Got that one. Get out of it, buddy. Get out of it. Hey, little guy. Off he goes. Oh, right there. Oh, I think he's a bit better. Yeah, he feels a bit better. Little rod bending. He's a little bit better. He is a little bit better. We've got a better soot. Oh, he's going nuts. I feel these guys are full of energy. Oh, close to the leg. Get you out of that hook. There we go. God, these guys are squirmy. Very, very squirmy. Oh, chill, bro. Chill. Chill, buddy. Chill, buddy. Alright, guys. He's a bit nicer soot. He's curling up on me. Can't even see the tail. There we go. Bit of a nicer soot for you guys. Something really cool. Yeah. Crystal clear water still. Ain't getting dirty. There he goes. He's alright. Oh, little guy. Little guy. There he goes. Jesus, that's a good one. That's a much better fish. He's going at me, he's going at me. Oh yeah, he's the best fish, I reckon. Oh yeah. Much better fish. Oh yeah, he's got a bit more length on him. Hell yeah. Timber pop does good, eh? Timber pop does good. Timber pop gets the big dogs. Beautiful sooty. Definitely the biggest of the day. They don't grow big in this dam, but I mean they do get up to 50 still apparently. But yeah, that's a good one for me, I reckon. He's about 40, maybe under 40, but he's alright for me. Happy days. Crystal clear water here too, guys. Absolutely amazing. There he goes. Gone to the gates. Alright, just trying this rock wall and we'll keep going. Keep trying the rock wall. Seems to hold bigger fish. Oh jeez, right there. There's more of them here. Here's another good one. Oh, here's another good one. Just absolutely annihilated it. Oh, oh yeah, here's another good soot. Oh yeah, we're finding better size now. Just as that rain clears up. And heaps better size. Well, he's only barely 10. He's only barely 10. That rain's gonna come back in. Yeah, Yeah, he's definitely he's the second best soot. It's next cast. Exactly the next cast too, that's funny as. Oh, can't get him in. Absolutely lovely. There we go guys, there's the next foot. Directly next cast, I think we found them. I think we found the bigger ones. I mean, he ain't giant, but he's good size. He's the fun size, I think. Better than the little tiny ones, but man, they're cool fish when they hit top water. All right, I'll get them released. Go on skis. Yes! Doing it. Got him. Oh, there's a few on this rock wall and they're a bit bigger. Oh, there's this little guy. As I say, they're bigger. Still catching little ones. Alright, buddy. Little squeaker. Here we get another big one. Alright guys, I'm done for the day. It's freezing cold. I'm wet. I want to go home.